Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to show you how I made this cute little vintage journal. And the best part, no leather, no fancy stuff, just things you already have at home. So first let's make our papers look all and vintage. I just mixed some coffee with water and took a brush and started painting the paper. Don't worry if it looks patchy, that actually make it more authentic, like those old treasure maps, right? Once that's done, just leave the papers to dry. Okay, now cut them into small equal sizes. Then I glued all the pieces together so it becomes like a little stack of pages. Now for the cover, I didn't use any leather. Instead, I took a felt sheet and I gave it a little bit of color to make it look all and vintage. Honestly, I love the texture. Strap it around the pages, secure it. And now for the fun part, take a simple thread and tie it up. Trust me, the thread gives it that proper vintage rustic vibe. And there you go, our cute little vintage diary is ready. Perfect for notes, doodles, or just to keep as a handmade keepsake. Would you guys try making one like this? I would love to hear your ideas. And if you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves craft. Alright, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.